Having a pond for swimming, it's really important that the pool is clear. But when it's like this, almost completely opaque, then it can be quite alarming, and it seems nothing short of a miracle is going to help you.
Thankfully now, one is available, Algaebuster 2000 Pro Max. I've been secretly working on this probiotic pond formula using anti-diatomic chemistry to come up with a product that's so powerful that just one application is going to clear an entire pond. Let me show you how it works.
Unlike most pond products which contain an eye-catching dye, this is clearly superior.
There we go. Well, you might be thinking, what sort of magic or chemistry wizardry is going on to have this effect? In actual fact, it's just nature and time. So what's happening here? Well, there are plenty of nutrients available in the pool in the early winter because of rotting vegetation from the previous season's growth. And as the weather slightly starts to warm, say in February, then algae can actually take control and start feeding on those nutrients. And predominantly it's diatoms. They produce a milky sort of water which can be brown and opaque. So that's what we had. What's happened now is the weather has warmed up even more, and so zooplankton like Daphnia can start to graze on the algae. So now we enter a phase where the water is clear, and this is technically referred to as the clear water phase. I'm not joking. So there we go. So how is it all cleared? Well, entirely down to nature and entirely down to time. So there's no magic potion to fix this, just a bit of patience.
So if you were ever tempted to add chemicals to the pond, I hope there's now one product that will jump to mind.